Hey guys, we are back. This is day number 16. So I've been munching at my cheesecake. I try to do like a cute cutting of it, but it's in that tight container, so it wasn't cute. But guys, for my keto slash sugar people that can't handle sugar, like myself, try this. It is sugar free, but you wouldn't even be able to tell. I've made this for other people, and they're like, I didn't tell them they were sugar free until after they had it. So texture is great. It is easy, and it is delicious. So check out my previous video, see a glimpse of how I made that cheesecake. So today started out as a get back to the closet, do the task of cleaning out that closet before let's make sure nothing is on my mouth, because I don't want to record this and then later on oh, mouth's clear. I want to clean up my closet because I made a commitment that my closet needs to be, it's not going to be the best, but I need to at least get it organized, because it was a point where there was no walking room. I was stepping on things to get in there. But while I was doing my closet, I realized I have a lot of shoes I need to let go, because there's no room, for one, and two, I'm not wearing them. I don't even recall ever wearing some of those in quite some time. So I know that's one thing that I need to do is start gathering the ones that I know I'm never going to wear again. And there's some that is just completely garbage. I don't know why I'm holding on, because they're falling apart. And there's some that is still in really good condition and just needs to go to a home. So I have to start doing that. So that's like my next mission. I'm probably going to start maybe tomorrow, of gathering shoes for now, because shoes is harder for me to let go of shoes than clothes, because I have a lot of shoes that I don't think are trendy shoes, or shoes that I feel like would never go out of style. And those are hard for me to say to get, but at the same time, I have so much of those that I need to. So that is what I've been up to today. So I also wanted to do a reel with all the junk journal I made this year, except for one, because it's already given to the person. But I made 15, guys, and I started the junk journal series back the end of summer. And most of them I made in the last 2 months, but I am like, wow. There is one that I haven't shown, that I'm not going to show you guys anytime soon. You'll see it. But that one was like my most, I think, creative in terms of the body. But other than that, the other ones you've seen, but you haven't really seen inside of it. So before I even get into showing you that, where I'm at with this, I am in the middle. I think I'm in the middle. What we got? Little over the middle, but I am not gonna. You can see I didn't finish it because I thought I was going to, but no, it's a little longer than And before I let you go, Candy Ryan, and so far what I'm gonna give you is a lot of healing. It is a story about when two couples are dealing with a traumatic moment that happened in them, and how they were unable to heal and also save their relationship. And now that they're divorced, how do they move on when their heart are still attached to each other in many ways. They have shared children, they share a business, and they still have attraction to each other. But we'll see how it goes, because they're trying to date other people. So we'll see how that goes. So that's where I'm at with that. That will be done tomorrow. Another thing is, it is, when I tell you outside, we're talking about almost a foot of snow is supposed to be by the time it's done. And then they're talking about it might not be done till tomorrow evening. So I'm going to be having to shovel because I don't have a renter man. So I'm not too happy, but you know. I live in the mountain in a winter area. What do I expect? But anyway. So the junk journals that I was working on with the collage. We are going to get into that. So hey guys, let me just show you guys what it looks like. So this is a nude one that I made. This is from the collage that I created that night, and this is what the front look like. So you have the key, and this is one of the chain closure, which I am enjoying doing. And you know, you are going to do it from the back to get it up. To get it the chain to be in the front, you have to, as you can see, do it from the back. If you do it from the other side, the chain will not be in the front. So there you go. Inside you have some note pages, which is always going to be helpful for anyone who, you know, just writes some notes. This is a leftover. When I did the video that I showed you guys, I made sure I didn't waste any of it, and so this is where the leftover went. And there's some leftover as well as here. So in here I decided to put a little bit of shape story going on here, and there's some pockets in here so you can like flip here. Lot of note paper. This is all tea-dye pages, and there's a lot of pages to write on. Lot of pages. My junk journal, I intended for it to be about writing. Not so much collage, but more so writing. So that's why I tend to leave a lot of pages for whoever gets this to write. We have this. Now this one has a lot of horse theme. So this section here goes with another section that I'm going to show you in a minute. And I think this was kind of fun. And of course they can write in the back of it. And I'm going to stuff it back into the pocket. And then here goes the other pocket. And this is where the nanny of the horse that goes with the other one. And you have that. But you also have a lot of page in the back to write. And that goes in here. So I thought that was kind of something fun to do in the junk journal. It's tight. The more you use it, it will loosen up, but it's, you know, it's not been used, so it's a little tight. And then you have all these other pages. A lot of, again, tea dye. Supposed to give you that old vintage look. And you can just cover it up and do whatever. Here goes another one. And it had some definitions, some words. They all be words. And then the other previous part of a journal mode words that they can look at. And of course, you gotta have my girl in the front. And there's space in the back. And again, there are some more paper in the back. And then you just close it. And oh, oops. Where did this sticker come from? And in the back you have another pocket that you can put whatever in. And I forgot that I should put another one here. So I'm going to put another one there. I literally put everything away. But I'm going to stuff some stuff in here for whoever's getting this month. Then I have the black one. I actually really love the black one. So I have in the back. So this is one of this is a bookmark that you can put it in the front or the back. And I created before, let me just open it so you can see it better. So I did the strings and I thought this was really, really nice. It makes it look very sleek. And I really like that about this. So of course, you just unopen it. and you can go in the back. So in the back I have this kind of pocket that you just slide it. So this is another collage that I decided to make, and you have a blank space here. You can write whatever you want to write there, but then you have all this room in the back to write. So I love this because you just slide it in, and then this is the opening. Again, leftover collage that goes right here. It is black, very much plain, because again, this one I wanted them to have room to really bulk it up if they have to. There is a page here where I need to put something in there. I don't know why I thought I was made all of the ones, so I'm going to make a few more and put them right there. And I did a button here, but it is not closed off completely because you have room. So you have this bookmark that you can stuff in here, but it's just to show you can put anything you want in there. A lot of black dye paper is in here, and this individual is going to get this pen is going to go on there, so they can write on all these pages that are black. Love, again, another pull out where you can write in here or put a picture and close it up. A lot of page. Oh, this is going to be so good with this pen. You know, writing. I'm throwing this pen all over the place. Writing on here with this is going to be absolutely good. And then you have all of this. And then in here, so I put some paper, extra paper in the middle, in the pocket. And again, another collage that I created, and it's space in the back, and they can write on it. Again, a lot of this black page is going to be fabulous with white ink. A lot of page to write, because my intention for my junk journal is to get you to write. And then of course in the back we have this notebook, and these are also tea dye paper, and you have this option of using this bookmark. It's a heart key, and you can use it this way. If you're writing, you can always put it there, whatever page that you're using, or you can always have it hanging out in the back. It's up to whoever gets this. Which this one, I have an idea which friend I'm giving this one to, because I know they would definitely appreciate it. And then this is the end. And this, yep. So these are the two, and I really love them. Alright guys, so I really love them. I thought these were so creative, and I love that I was able to take a chance and do the collage method, which just, you're creating your own cover. A lot of the covers that I've used are from, we're talking from collage booklets that I have, that have been, you know, craft paper that's been sitting around for a while, versus these is my own kind of putting together a cover. It's a collage with bits and pieces of paper that I had hanging around, and I like this because it's more personal, I think, because part of me is like, I kind of want to hold on to the black one. But then I'm also like, I have so many other junk journals that I haven't been able to let go of, that I absolutely love and I have not used. You know, this one, for instance, I have not used this. I love this. I love the gothic theme, the pockets, and you know, I have this book thing that I put in there, and I love it. It's just like my favorite, one of my favorites that I've made, but I haven't used it. I said I was going to use it during Vlogmas, and not Vlogmas, NaNoWriMo, but I did not. It is my really like I could not let go of this. I was just like absolutely not was gonna let go of this. But I'm gonna find a way to use it next year. But that's about it. I am going, this is a short one video because again, well, I think it's short. We'll see when I edit this. Because today was really just a clean up and chill day. I am hungry, so I'm going to end this here. Hopefully you guys watched the previous videos. There's some important stuff in there, you know, check it out. And I will see you tomorrow with the snow cleanup and another DIY project that I'm going to be doing that is not journaling, but it is a DIY project that I plan on doing tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the next one.